welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you this is like a slime kit, crystal slime kit. So as you can see, before I'm touching this, I just sanitize my hands because it's corona time. So as you can see, this is a whole package, and here we have this and here we have fun and sticky. So the slimes are fun and sticky and soft and stretch. I can't read. Safe and not toxic. So as you can see, this is the kit, and it was open like here. So you open it, and as you can see, we have these things. So first, these are the glitters, and these are like, I don't know how many, but I don't know. So then here we have these, which are like for the butter slimes, something to do like this. And here we have these foams, white foams and colored foams for decorating the slime. And these are the animals. Yes. And here we have a container in which you can put the slime to make like as its own things. So this is the best thing ever. We have a mini things like mini glasses to put the slimes inside. And here we have this fruits decoration to put inside. And of course, here we have this clays. Like these are the little clays. So this is green, white, pink, and red. So here, the main thing is the slimes, as you can see. Blue. We have too many colors. This is the pink one. This is purple. So I'm gonna show you the colors before. So first I'm gonna show you like these things. So as you can see, we have these, this, we have the glosses, these are the packets, we have 6 clays and a container, and of course our glitters. So I'm just gonna open this one to just show you how are these glasses. Oh my gosh, look at these, they are so cute. This one. This is super good. Oh my gosh. This one, and we have this one, and then these are the decorations. Alright, so you can see these are the glasses, and we have all these things. And I guess before you touching these things, because we don't know who just packed these things, sanitize your hands with the sanitizer. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna show you the slime colors. So as you can see, these slimes are 24. We have the red, and this one it's clear slime, my favorite one. Orange, blue. Oh my gosh, this color is so good. Pink. This one, I don't know, like green, purple, sorry. This is a pink one, the dark pink. Another blue, but this one is like lighter than this and darker than this. Another blue, pink, and this is brown, I guess. Here, this one, it's like green, lemon color slime, orange, green, sorry, this is yellow, like lighter than this, and this one is so good. This is like a green color, but this is like better than this. Oh yeah, we have two more of these. So these are the best time ever. Alright guys, so these are the colors as you can see. And of course, these are all our things we have in this box. So this was Afa for Day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this box. And if you want to order, you can order on Amazon. It costs, like on me, it costs $17. And if you want now, because it's about $21. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you next video. Bye.